So now that we've learned about area of two-dimensional shapes, we're going to talk now about area of composite figures. If you think about compound, such as compound words, it's when you put two words together to make a new, bigger word. That's the same thing that you're doing with composite figures. Composite figures means when you look at the shape, you're going to have more than one shape that you're putting together. So when you look at this picture, which might be a window in someone's house, you should notice that there's actually a semicircle on top and a rectangle down below. So in order to find out the area of the whole shape, we're going to find the area of the first figure, find the area of the second figure, and then we're going to add them together. So here our first figure we're going to say is our rectangle, and area is base times height. So area is going to be 12 times 8, which is 96. Then we're going to find the area of our second figure. In this case, now it doesn't matter which one you call the first or which one you call the second. This one is going to be area of a circle. That's your pi r squared. We know pi is 3.14. In this one, we see that our diameter would be 8. Because if it's a rectangle, this is 8, then that means this is 8. But we don't need diameter, we need the radius. So half of 8 would give me 4 squared. Well, pi 4 squared means 4 times 4, which is 16. And 16 times pi is going to be 50 and 24 hundredths. You can guess that even by 16 times 3 is somewhere around 48, so that's a reasonable answer. But did we have the whole circle? No, we only had half. So now we're going to divide by 2, and the area of this circle becomes 25 and 12 hundredths. So I'm now going to come over here, and to get my total, I'm going to take the 25 and 12 hundredths. I'm going to add it to the 96. And my answer is 121 and 12 hundredths. Since it's area, it's going to be feet squared. So if you look at a second one, let's go to, well, that's a semicircle. Let's go here. So here you notice we have a rectangle and a triangle. So if we call this one 1 and 2, so here we're going to have a rectangle again of base times height. This is going to be 13 times 8. Well, 13 times 8 is 104. The second one is a triangle, so that's base times height divided by 2. Well, right here it gives me the number 19. If this is 13, that means this is 19 minus 13 leaves you a leftover of 6. So my base, again it's the matching opposite side, so my base is 8. My height is 6, and I'm going to divide that by 2. Well, remember, I can always take half of a number. Half of 8 is 4, and 4 times 6 is 24. To get my total, I'm going to add 104 plus the 24, and I get 128 feet squared.